Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and in today's video, we're taking a look at some new Dollar Tree fashion. My store had several of these fashion packs for 11-inch dolls, and this one is a gold formal dress. And all of the fashion packs that I will be showing you today were $1.25. Here's the first dress, and it's definitely giving 1980s prom dress vibes. And you do not get any shoes with the new fashion packs, so that's a little bit of a bummer. And you do have to watch out for the plastic stays because mine left a hole in the top here. And something else to look out for with the Dollar Tree fashion is that the stitching isn't always the best. You can see the hem at the top here isn't even all the way around. Dollar Tree fashion is made to fit Dollar Tree dolls, and they tend to have a smaller torso than Barbies. So I'm surprised that this one actually has a little bit of stretch, and it is a little big on my doll. It velcros in the back, but I think I might be able to get this one on a curvy doll. The skirt of the dress is a peach color, and it has these gold printed on medallions. I was able to get this dress to fit a curvy without any issues. The Velcro completely closed in the back, but just keep in mind that the Dollar Tree fashion for dolls does vary a lot. Just because this dress fit my curvy does not mean the one you find in your store will fit a curvy. And I just realized that there isn't a hem on the skirt, so the fabric is just cut along the bottom. So y'all, I'm filming this at night. It's dark outside, and one of my neighbors just started mowing their lawn. I don't know if my mic is picking it up, but that's a little weird. Who's doing lawn work this late at night? What the heck? Wait, is that Sharon? She has completely lost her mind. And this is why I just mind my own business. Next, we have this blue and silver dress. This one is made on the same style as the first one. It's a strapless top, and you have a poofy skirt. The top is made of this silver metallic material, and it is very stretchy. It's almost too big for my doll, and the stitching is not the best, and there is a hole from the stay right here. The skirt is a shiny blue material, and there are plastic sequins sewn onto it. And this dress velcros in the back, and there isn't a hem on the bottom of this dress. So you just have a raw edge. You can see the stitching from all of the sequins. And because the top is so stretchy, it can fit a curvy without any issues. And I actually think this dress looks a lot better on the curvy doll. Next, we have this purple dress. Here's Sharon in the purple dress, and I like it more than I thought I would. It's almost like a mermaid style. I guess that's what they were going for with this one. You have dark purple ribbon for the straps, and the main part of the dress looks to be a lavender color with dark purple sequins printed on it. And it goes all the way down the length of the dress, and you have a ruffle at the bottom. And like the other dresses, this is not hemmed. And this dress does Velcro in the back, and you can see my doll has quite a bit of room left in the back. So I was able to get my curvy doll into the dress, and I thought it was going to look really nice, but you can see it is a little tight here at the hips. And when you turn it around, across her backside, you can see where it's pulling the printed on circles apart. Next, we have this black and gold dress, and like the other packs, we do not get any shoes or other accessories. Here's the black dress on Sharon, and so far this is my favorite. You have black ribbon as straps, and mine are a little wonky, so I'll probably replace those. And I'm not sure if the neckline here was supposed to be a V or more of a semicircle. I'm not sure because my stitching is a little off, but I'm not mad at this. I think I can fix that. The main part of the dress is the stretchy black material. And at the bottom you have an asymmetrical ruffle, and it's made of this black netting, and it has a lot of little gold sequins sewn onto it. And I like the size of this sequence. Compared to the other one, the blue dress, these are a better size for the dolls. But of course it is not hemmed. And this dress does Velcro in the back. And this black dress is pretty tight on a curvy, especially along the seam here. And I could not get it to stay closed in the back. Next we have this green dress. So now Sharon has on the green dress, and I did not think I was going to like this one. It's not the greatest, but now that I see it out of the packaging, I see some potential with this one. So like with the other dresses, they did not finish the edges very well. But what I'm most excited about is the actual material for the dress. It's this shiny blue and green, and it's stretchy. And this material is pretty thick. It's not flimsy like the other ones. So I'm seeing some potential for this dress because it is a very simple dress. And you can see it just comes about mid-calf on her. And it Velcros in the back. And I think this dress looks even better on a curvy. I'm definitely going to go back and get another one of these. I already have some projects I'm working out in my head right now for this dress. So I did tuck the bottom of it under just to see what it would look like as a shorter dress. And I think this would make a really cute party dress for the holidays if you wanted to cut it at the bottom here. I also found this red velvet dress. Here's the red one, and I think this one is one of the better ones, or if not the best one out of all the fashion packs that I found. This dress is made of this red velvet material. It's very soft and it's pretty stretchy. There isn't any Velcro on this dress. You just have to pull it up on the doll. You can see it is a one shoulder dress. The stitching isn't that bad on this one. And I'm glad they matched the stitching to the color of the dress. This dress comes about mid-calf also, and it has a split in the front. And like the green dress, this one is a pretty decent material. It's not that thin. I was able to get this red dress on my curvy doll, and it fits her pretty good. I didn't have to struggle to pull it up on her at all. So I wanted to show the doll in the Dollar Tree outfit next to my holiday Barbie, and I believe this is 2007. I could be wrong. I would have to go double check. But just think, if you could make something similar to this for this doll, all you would have to do is get a little bit of black lace to add around this neckline here, just a little bit, a black belt, and then to mimic the faux fur and the lace on the bottom, there is this slit here. So you can sew some fur around here with a little bit of lace and just go around the edge of it. It won't be as long, but you can also add extra material to the base of it. And when you're in the Dollar Tree looking for the dresses, check out the automotive section. They sell these towels there, and they can mimic the fur for your dress. And if you don't want to do lace around the top here, just use a little bit of this material. I think we can all agree that the Dollar Tree fashion is not on the same level as Barbie, Rainbow High, or Integrity Toys, or any other higher quality doll fashion pack, but it is a good budget option for beginners or someone who just doesn't have a lot of money to devote towards their doll clothing collection. For me, these are a good option because my sewing skills are still at a beginner's level, so I like to practice on the lower budget outfits. Also, I can cut these up and use them as patterns, and I won't feel so bad about it because it was only $1.25. So my friends, let me know what you think about the new doll fashion from the Dollar Tree. If you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.